Nice little job on today. We've got the MONDEO 2 litre, cracking little engine this. This one's done nearly 140,000 miles, still sounds absolutely amazing. We're going to do this all in filter change on it. Nice and straightforward. It's an absolute solid engine, got no timing belt on it, it's a timing chain, really robust, very quiet still. Let's crack on, get it in the air, get that sump bung out. Pop the cap off the top. That just helps the oil drain out the bottom when we take the bung out. So we've got the oil container to drain into. We've got a filter wrench gripper and a 13mm spanner and a bit of rag just to clean up any mess. Okay, so here we are down below, nice and straightforward. We've got one drain bung in the sump there, get the tub under that. Got his 13mm, get the right side, 13mm, I'll give that a tap. Whiz that bung out of there. And when we're just about to get to them, we're just going to peel it down and out the way. There we go. And we've got his rag ready just to clean up. Not no drips going on the floor. These sump bungs are brilliant. They've got a rubber seal which is nicely laid into the nut. Not had any trouble with these at all. I've never changed one. As long as it's protruding beyond the nut face, you know you're going to get a good seal. We did this one a year ago and the oil's still nice and clean, it's not too dirty there. It's got a good colour to it. Let's whiz that out. Because we took that filler cap off, that's come out really quick. And the engine's nice and warm, so the oil's nice and thin, comes out quick. We'll just wait until that's got down to a drip. You can see how clean it is under here. There's absolutely no oil leaks at all on this engine. It's brilliant. It really is a quality engine. And almost there. There we go. A little wispy drip. It's blowing in the wind. That's good enough for me. Let's put that bung back in. Just move that over here a tad. And then we'll just do that up. Nice and tight there. Beautiful. Stage one complete. Let's rip this filter off. So again, I've got this handy tool, and you just spin that round and it locks onto the filter, and then you're able to undo it. It got me. Slipped out of my hand. What a splasher. Oil everywhere if it's not going over my camera. It always goes wrong when you got the film on, doesn't it? Not a problem. Only a little drip here and there. Right, let's get that new filter on. So I always put a little bead of oil around the rubber seal on the new filter, and then we slip it in like so. And then we'll just nip that up with the wrench again. We're not going mad on this one, we're just going to give it half a turn. There we go, that's nice and tight. A good wipe round. Excellent stuff. So if like me you've just made a mess all on your lovely block paving, best thing we can do with that is just wipe it a little bit and then carb cleaner. Okay, so I've got the wife's best t-shirt. Let's just give that a quick wipe down with that. Remove all this spillage. And then we get the carb cleaner and blast. There it is. And that just literally dissolves it and takes it straight up. Brilliant stuff. That new filter nice white round. Yeah, lovely. Lovely and clean. Beautiful. And this will just evaporate away and there'll be nothing there. So we'll drop the car back down and get it on the level again. Okay, and I'll be ready to refill. So this one is taking 5W30 oil. And a really good handy tip when pouring the oil is turn the carton almost so it's the opposite way up and then bring it into sideways and never pour beyond the halfway fill, otherwise you'll get a glug. So you've got to take it steady and slow, but it just saves spilling. Because I don't want any more oil on my patio. If you just start to hear the glug, you're going too fast, you just got to slow it down a bit. Now this engine holds quite a bit of oil. On the dipstick, what we've got is, you've got your maximum and your minimum holes. From the minimum to the maximum is 1 litre of oil. So if we get down to the bottom one, we know we've got to stick 1 more litre in to get it to the top. At the minute, we're just on the bottom of the dipstick, we're just down to there, so let's keep going. that's bang on at the minute, but we've not started it. So what we'll do, we'll fire it up, because that's going to fill the oil filter back up with oil and drop the level down slightly, but we're almost there. So let's pop the cap back on. Just give that a couple of seconds to for the level to drop back down again. It doesn't take long. This oil nowadays is so thin, it soon sinks to the bottom again. And we are now just at the bottom of the dipstick, so 1 more litre and we're done. So by the time we finish, this engine will have had 4.5 litres, looking at this. Bingo, spot on, absolutely spot on, right to the top of the dipstick there, lovely. So let's pop that back in again, happy with that. Give it a little wipe round, make sure that we're all nice and clean. All good for another year. So there we have it, the Golden Goddess lives to fight another year. Cracking motor. If that's been of any use to you, help you out in any way, drop me a comment or like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.